With about 17 years of experience in the media and a host of awards to her name, Nana Yaa Brefo, co-host of Adom TV's morning show Bedroom, clocked 40 in grand style. The journey to stardom began in the year 1998 with a stint at Twin City Radio in Takoradi in the western region of Ghana. Years later, she migrated to Accra and rose through the rank as a reporter, sub-editor and producer at Peace FM for 9 years. The bubbly host, who celebrated her 40th birthday at the Oak Plaza Hotel with friends from media and family, joined the multimedia group as a producer of the afternoon political talk show on Asempa FM. Known for her wittiness on the midday news dubbed Prem Tobre Kasiebo, Nana Yaa Brefo, who's a wife and mother, shares some challenges with Joy News.
Very difficult. When I pick my bag, my son will say, "Where are you going? This time around, you're traveling again." I travel in the night to go and do my Persia. So almost every weekend I'm out. I mean, it's a bit challenging. I mean, you go to work at dawn. I've been doing that for the past God knows how many years. You'd have issues with your marriage, issues with your children, but we try to find our feet.
High life artist Kofi Kinata, who graced the occasion, performed his hit tracks to the excitement of the teeming crowd.
Coming out to support you, friends from the industry. Kofi Kinata is here. What can you tell all of those people coming here to support you at 40 years?
I'm grateful, honestly. I didn't know he was going to come. I've spoken to him, although I know he knows I like him a lot, and I know he likes me, but I wasn't too sure he was going to come, so he surprised me. I'm surprised, and he sang like it's a show I paid him for. I did not do that. I should say thank you to him. I really appreciate it.
She's the reason why you're here, and because she's a media personality, I want to find out from you, what impact do you think the media has got on your career?
A whole lot. They are the ones who carry the news out there. I, for instance, I'm a big fan of Nana Yaa Brefo. I watch her every day. I'm a big fan. And I can't just sit at home once she celebrates her birthday. So I just have to come and, have fun with her. So, yeah.